Today, I'm going to introduce a software that can automatically find potential customers from Facebook groups or from your competitors' engagement, and then send friend requests to them. First, we will scan all the members of a Facebook group. Copy the link of the group you want to target. Then convert that link into a group UID. After that, import the UID into the software. Go to the group scanning feature and select Scan Group Members. Import the group ID here, choose the account you want to use, and start the scan. You can scan multiple groups at the same time. Once the scanning process is finished, the system will export the data. After that, you will get an Excel file like this. The next step is to copy the member IDs and move to the next feature in the software to send friend requests in bulk. Go to the Add Friend function and choose Add Friend. Here you have several options such as Make Friend with UID, Suggest Friends, Search by Name, or Accept Friend Requests. If you choose UID, simply paste all the UIDs you copied earlier into this section. Then click Save. Select the accounts you want to use, and press Start. The software will automatically run and send friend requests for you. By connecting with more people and posting regularly, you can gradually build a more trustworthy profile and expand your network of potential customers.